Compile Formulation Foundation Series, Episode 3, Color Technology. I am S.K. Karimullah, popularly known as KMsir, and our official website is www.kmsir.org. How we could bring the oil to the color what you require exactly. This is a total experimental episode. I will show you the experiment. Just look it. You can develop this skill. I'm just taking 50 ml of base oil. So this is 50 ml of base oil. Like this, I am going to pour into the 4 beakers. See that though you are doing industrial production, research and development, R&D activity is mandatory for every new blend, and before starting the experiment, all your lab equipment like beakers, measuring cylinders, glass rods, each and everything must be very clean and dry. So let us consider A, B, C, D. By that it will be easy to understand. So you should have little patience to observe. Not 1 or 2 minutes. You may not get the point. Right. So in the episode 1, very basics we have discussed. In episode 2, the science of raw material we have explored, and this is episode 3 on color magic. Now let me blend with the compound colors. Now I have taken 50 ml in beaker A, beaker B, beaker C, beaker D. Now I have 4 different types of compound colors with me. So first, this is SY01. Whenever you are adding compound colors, follow the basic instruction, shake well before use. Right. So look at here, a single drop. So single drop. I mean the change you have to notice after putting a single drop. Now let me add the second and the third. You should remember this is beaker A, where I have added 3 drops of SY01. Once again, so this is beaker A, and I have added 3 drops of SY01. This is the result. Okay. Now let me use SS01, a single drop. So you can note down in a paper that beaker B with a single drop of SS01. Now let me take SBSY01. Let me take R01, 1, 2. First, I have put 3 drops of SY01. Once if I transfer into the container, how does it look? Let me show you. This is the color, right? This is, so let us consider this as A. Now this is B, a single drop of SS01. Now this is SBSY01, 2 drops. Then the beaker D, SBR01, 2 drops. Here it is not about which is good, which is average, which is best. So that is all your choice. So this is golden yellow. Now just look at which color you like. Few people select this color, few people may select this color, few people, so this is looks little different. Okay, now just imagine if I want to change something in here. Already you know that this is sample A with 50 ml of base oil, 3 drops of SY01. Now I will add SS01, a single drop. Now see the color change. So like this you can fine tune the color with the help of compound colors. Now just imagine if you like this color. So take a pen and paper if you are seriously want to go with the bulk blending for calculation and the simple strategy I tell you. Just imagine that if you like this color. So what we have added? We have added 50 ml of base oil, 3 drops of SY01 and 2 drops of SS01. So there are 2 color shifts in the sample A. So first change. Note down, left side 50 ml, how many drops? 3 drops. Just tell me for 100 ml how many drops you have to use? 6 drops. Good. For 1000 ml, that means for 1 liter, how many drops we have to use? 60 drops. Now, drop wise calculation will become hectic for bulk blending. So, you should convert these drops into milliliters. Approximately 30 drops equal to 1 ml. Now, tell me for 1 liter, how many ml you have to mix? 2 ml as 6 drops are used. So for 1 liter 2 ml, 100 liters, So how much we have to use? So 200 ml. So one barrel, so for one barrel you will get 210 liters, that means so 420 ml. That's why 01 you have to use, right? So accordingly, so I just gave you an example. Similarly you need to calculate, and somebody may like this color, somebody may like this color, somebody may like another color. So here total this 4 color compounds only, so you can make a good magic and unique color for your brand, and you can continue the same quality. Remember, this is strictly non-edible colors. Only for non-edible purpose we have to use these colors. So it's very important to note, any combination of oil, these colors will be definitely useful. Right, after looking at this experiment, so 99% of color difficulties might have become zero. Our programs and our series is only for serious learners. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.